everyone, welcome back to Car Review Hub, the place where we dive deep into the latest and greatest cars hitting the roads. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the 2025 Mazda CX-5, one of the most popular compact SUVs that continues to impress drivers with its mix of style, performance, and practicality. Mazda has made some smart updates for 2025, and whether you're thinking about buying one or just curious about what's new, this review will cover everything you need to know about the interior, exterior, performance, and pricing of the brand new CX-5. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 carries forward Mazda's Kodo design philosophy, which has always been about creating vehicles that look alive with motion even when standing still. For 2025, the CX-5 refines its sleek and athletic lines with sharper LED headlights, a more pronounced front grille, and a sculpted bumper that adds an extra touch of sophistication. The side profile is fluid and aerodynamic, giving it a premium stance compared to many rivals in the compact SUV segment. Around back, slim taillights and a cleaner liftgate design add to its upscale appearance. Mazda offers new wheel designs this year, ranging from 17-inch to 20-inch alloys depending on trim level. Two new color options have also been introduced, a deep artisan red premium and an elegant zircon sand metallic, both of which highlight the curves of the SUV beautifully. Step inside and the 2025 Mazda CX-5 continues to raise the bar for what you can expect in a mainstream SUV. Mazda has always focused on a driver-centric layout, and this year the cabin feels more luxurious than ever. High-quality soft-touch materials are spread across the dash and doors, with genuine leather and available wood accents in higher trims. Seating is comfortable and supportive, with available Nappa leather and ventilation in the front seats for added comfort. Mazda has worked hard on cabin quietness too, adding more sound insulation to reduce road and wind noise, giving the interior a near-luxury feel. In terms of technology, the CX-5 comes standard with a large 10.25-inch central display that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims introduce wireless connectivity, a premium Bose audio system, and a fully digital driver display. Mazda's infotainment interface has been refined for quicker response times, making navigation and media control easier. Rear passengers aren't left behind either, with generous legroom and available rear seat climate controls. Cargo space remains competitive, offering around 30 cubic feet behind the second row and expanding to about 59 cubic feet with the seats folded, making it versatile for both family trips and grocery runs. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where Mazda really separates itself from the competition. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 still offers two engine choices. The standard model comes with a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder, producing 187 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. For drivers who crave more excitement, the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine remains available, pushing out up to 256 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque when running on premium fuel. Both engines are paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission that feels refined and responsive in everyday driving. All-wheel drive continues to be standard across all trims, which is a big advantage over some rivals. Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system constantly monitors road conditions to deliver traction where it's needed, enhancing confidence in rain, snow, or even light off-road situations. For 2025, the suspension has been further tuned to balance agility with comfort, ensuring the CX-5 remains one of the most engaging SUVs to drive in its class. Steering is precise, body roll is minimal, and yet the ride quality is smooth enough for long-distance travel. Fuel economy sits at around 26 miles per gallon combined for the base engine, while the turbocharged model averages closer to 24 miles per gallon combined. Respectable numbers considering the extra power. Safety is another strong point for the new CX-5. Every model comes standard with Mazda's iActive Sense suite of safety features, which includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Higher trims add a 360-degree camera system, front and rear parking sensors, and traffic sign recognition. The CX-5 has consistently scored high in safety ratings, and the 2025 version continues that legacy, making it an ideal choice for families. Now let's break down the pricing. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 starts at around $30,500 for the base 2.5S model, which comes well-equipped with LED headlights, a power driver's seat, and advanced safety features. Moving up the trims, the preferred and premium models add leather upholstery, upgraded audio, and more convenience features, bringing the price closer to the $34,000 to $37,000 range. For those who want the turbocharged engine and all the luxury touches, the CX-5 Turbo Signature tops out at around $41,500, which includes Napa leather, real wood trim, ventilated seats, and the full suite of technology and safety options. Considering the premium feel of the interior, the engaging driving dynamics, and the overall package, the CX-5 continues to offer excellent value in the compact SUV segment. So what's the final verdict on the 2025 Mazda CX-5? This SUV remains one of the best balanced vehicles in its class. It combines striking design, a luxurious and quiet interior, fun-to-drive performance, and a long list of standard features, all wrapped up in a price tag that undercuts many luxury competitors. While some rivals might offer slightly more cargo space or a hybrid option, the CX-5 stands out for delivering a driving experience that feels more connected and rewarding than most SUVs in this category. If you're looking for a compact SUV that's practical for family duties but still puts a smile on your face every time you drive, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 should absolutely be on your shopping list. Mazda has managed to refine a winning formula without losing what made the CX-5 special in the first place. Thanks for watching Car Review Hub. If you enjoyed this detailed review of the 2025 Mazda CX-5, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and drop a comment below to let us know what you think of Mazda's latest SUV. Until next time, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next review.